Well, people, I just woke up and you're gonna shit at this big goddamn bird out there. It's a buzzard, vulture. I'm just gonna try to crack his door open where it won't run off. There's another one that just flew up over there. See him? Let's get some close-up shots. Look at these big motherfuckers. Big red beak. Redhead motherfucker. Look at that motherfucker. It's a beast, people. They devour dead animals. Get the focus right, god damn it. See what I mean? That's a vulture up close. That fucker just flew off. His buddy's like, where the fuck you go, man? Look at that beast. Trying to see if I can't get it. It's too many different. Whatever with this goddamn thing. Look at it fly off. Beast, people. Damn, I left my light on last night. Anyway, just figured I'd get you a vulture on there. Wish the camera would have got a little better in focus, but it's fucking dim out here today. It's probably gonna get a little rain. Thank you for watching. Oh yeah, motherfucker. Look at, come back, look. God damn it. Look at him, man. Look at it. Look at it, man. A little extra footage. I don't know where the fuck they're at. I do know. It's probably from where I killed that possum. The one that had rabies. See you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe if you ain't already.